Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we're talking about dogecoin. What's the prices goes in the dogecoin, what's the current price, and what is the market rank of dogecoin. In this video I will show you friends. So as you know, in the previous days every cryptocurrency is fast down, very badly crash occur in the cryptocurrency market, and now at this time also continue the crash of the market. As you can see here, same like that, the dogecoin also fast down, a very bad crash occurs in the dogecoin. Now the last one day change, as you can see here, negative. Last 1 week change is a negative, and the last 1 hour they again started jumping upwards. So maybe this jump of the dogecoin or continue jump, and they can hit a $1 in the end of April, but it's difficult for me because the dogecoin have a difficult situation, have a difficult phenomena. After a small jump they again fast down. In the previous 1 week they take a high jump. That is why a lot of people buy dogecoin. A lot of people asking about dogecoin for it. So now in this time, in the previous last 1 week, as you can see here, the last 7-day result as on your eyes, negative 21.13% fast occur in a dogecoin, right? So it's not mean that only and only cryptocurrencies move upward. Every cryptocurrencies have a fast range. Now if we talk about the current price of dogecoin, so the current price about 0.252393 USD dollar. It's the current price, and the market rank is about 7 is a market rank of dogecoin in this time range. Now let's see the price prediction chart of the last 1 day. What's the prices goes in the last 1 day, friends? So as I told you, a dogecoin fast down for a little time, and a lot of people don't understand this fast of dogecoin. So I think that's the fast of the dogecoin are warning for all of you. Anyways, we can't say about the future. Maybe they again explode in the future. Maybe they can hit $1 tomorrow. We can't say about the future. Cryptocurrencies change your life in a minute, so we can't say about the cryptocurrency's future. But if we look at the technical analysis of the dogecoin, so it is clear for us that in the starting weeks they take a high explosion. As you know, the price of the dogecoin are very highly move in the cryptocurrency's market, and I think a dogecoin make a record in the cryptocurrency market. So now if we look the currently last 1 week results, so as I show you, negative 21.99 something fast occur in a dogecoin in the last 1 week. Continuously last 1 week fast occur in a dogecoin, but a lot of holders don't say it about the fast of dogecoin. Only they said that they goes to moon. How they can goes to moon? As you know, the price change occur in a dogecoin in the last 1 week. They don't know about this kind of fast, and only said that they goes to moon. How can they goes to moon? As you know, the price day by day, hour by hour fast down occurs in a dogecoin. But anyways, you can't say about the future of dogecoin. Same like that, let's continue the video. As you can see here, only fast occur in dogecoin. Another way, if we look the price prediction of the chart, so now in the last 1 hour they take a jump. As I show you in the start of video, that the last 1 hour change is in positive. But unfortunately, if we look the currently price prediction of the dogecoin, as you can see here, now after a small jump, as you can see here, there's a jumping period of the dogecoin, and after a jump they again ready for a falling. They have again decision to fast down, friends. So how a lot of people ask me that dogecoin goes to moon. How they can goes to moon? I saw the last 1 week result as in the fast, last 1 day result as in the fast, only last 1 hour result in positive. And as you can see here, this result take a jump, and now they recover this jump again fast down occurs in a dogecoin, friends. So I think approximately a 1 month fast occur in a dogecoin in the future, friends. And remember that only fast occur in dogecoin in the 1 month future, friends. We can't say about the future, but it's according to the technical, on the basis of technical analysis, I told you that the 1 month fast occur in the dogecoin and the future, friends. Anyways, what's your opinion about dogecoin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe abs tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.